Alright guys, Axel here, back again with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna go over why manual trading is actually not the best strategy that you can go with, and why over 90% of traders lose money every single year in the markets, and why they're unable to actually be profitable. And of course, we're not gonna leave it at a negative note. We're gonna see what is the solution and what you can actually do about it in order to start becoming profitable and start actually making money in the markets instead of just losing every single time. All right, so let's jump straight into it. We're gonna go over to the computer and we're gonna go over a couple of articles that are written by big publications, Forbes, Business Insider, etc., that go over why almost 90% of traders lose money in the markets, and these are of course manual traders. So let's go over to the computers. As we can see in the headline of this article right here, it says, did you know that 90% of manual traders are losing their money? And it says basically more than 80% to 90% of manual traders lose their first investment funds. And this is absolutely true, because we can go over and we'll check right now over other articles by multiple different publications that say the exact same thing. So let's see this one. This is from Business Insider. If you're day trading, you'll probably lose money. Here's why. So we go down and we see that one study of Brazilian futures traders found 97% of day traders lost money over a period of 300 days. So 97% of traders lost money in this study. Then in Taiwan, they found only 5% of day traders to be profitable. So that means 95% were not profitable and actually lost money. And this was over a period of, as you can see there, like almost 10 years. Another one here says a study by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, which is basically the SEC, of Forex traders found 70% of traders lose money every quarter on average, and traders typically lose 100% of their money within 12 months. So basically, people are blowing their entire account, so going from whatever they initially had to nothing at all within 12 months. And that would go for about 70% of people. That's crazy. And then this last one is actually from eToro, which is basically like a brokerage platform. And they did a study and they found that 80% of the clients that put money into their platform ended up losing money. And as you can see here, over a period of 12 months. Which is crazy. And as we can also see here from the CNBC article, attention Robinhood power users, most day traders lose money. So basically this was like a little warning for Robinhood users, which is basically a stock trading platform. Nonetheless, it shows here that 85% underperformed their benchmarks over a multi-year period. So it's basically saying that over 85% of people would actually make more money if they just invested in an ETF and let it ride than them actually trying to trade themselves, which is, again, goes back to tell you how many people are actually losing money every single day in the day trading markets and are not able to have any significant profit whatsoever. Matter of fact, they're always in a loss. And as you can see here from a study from 2013, it says less than 1% of the day trader population is able to predictably and reliably earn positive abnormal return net of fees. So basically, it's a complicated way of saying less than 1% of people are actually predictably making money every single day or every single month. Now, if you go read that and that's all you go based off, you're gonna get pretty damn discouraged, because you're gonna think, okay, if all of these people are losing money, why am I even trying to trade? Why am I even trying to do this? But you gotta understand one thing. Let's understand first why these percentages are so large. And number one reason why I feel like these percentages are very inflated is because there's an extremely low barrier of entry when it comes to trading, meaning that these brokers make it extremely easy for anybody to come in, put some money in their brokerage accounts, and even if they have zero experience whatsoever, they can go ahead and start trading. So the percentage of people that actually do that is extremely large, and that discredits the other percentage of people that actually study trading, that actually are putting in the work into understanding the financial markets, how economics works, and all of the people that are actually using EAs or are getting courses and training themselves into becoming better traders, etc. But if you're watching this, most likely you're the type of person that actually wants to do this as a career, that wants to get successful as a trader, and wants to find a predictable and consistent strategy that works over a long period of time that you can actually use with the least minimum effort. Of course, there's nothing that is completely hands-off, blah, blah, blah. But it's 2022 right now, and there are ways that you can automate most of the trading strategy. So how do you prevent yourself from becoming one of the statistics of the 97% of people that lose money during trading? Well, first of all, the most important thing is education. You want to educate yourself when it comes to the financial markets. You want to make sure that you understand what you're doing, that you're not going in head first with no clue of what you're doing. You want to go ahead, educate yourself. There's a lot of resources on YouTube. There's a lot of people selling their courses that are extremely helpful and will literally help you cut down the learning curve that it takes for you to actually learn, instead of having to do it yourself and just learning from your own mistakes, which is, first of all, extremely expensive, because trust me, you'll be losing a lot of money going that route. But the second thing that you could do, and this is what this video is about, is making the case that automated trading is actually better than manual trading. And let me tell you why. First of all, if you have a robot that trades for you, that robot is basically programmed to do one thing and one thing only, and that's extract profits from the financial markets. It has no emotions, it has no downtime, it doesn't need to rest, it doesn't have a brain that gets tired, none of that stuff. It just does what it's supposed to do, which is follow the strategy or the algorithm that has been programmed to follow. That's it, that's all it does. So because of that, you can have way more consistency using an automated trading bot than you can manually trading yourself, because your mood changes. One day you feel good, one day you don't feel good, one day you're sharp, one day you're not. So your results are very inconsistent on a day-to-day basis. But if you have literally an AI trading bot that trades for you, it is extremely consistent, because this thing has only been programmed to do one thing and one thing only, and that's all it knows to do. Now, of course, depending on the variables you put into it, it can do different things. Now, we do offer an EA that we have been using for over a year now consistently, has been getting us extremely good results for over a year. We have a Discord community of over 3,000 people that actually use this EA on a day-to-day basis, and that post their profits. So you know what we're gonna do? Since these publications want to say that everybody loses money, I want to show you something different. I want to show you another reality and show you people that are actually making money every single day with the consistent strategy. Now, the only difference is we are not doing this manually. We are not relying on our own trading or whatever, but we're relying on a robot to do this for us. So let's go back to the computer and show you how this works. Alright, so this is our Discord server. Before we dive into it, I just want to make a quick intro. We have an automated trading bot that helps people pass their proprietary firm challenges such as FTMO, My Forex Funds, all of the big ones. And also, you can use the same bot on your personal live account to grow your capital. Now, you're going to see results here. Some are from live accounts and some are from proprietary challenges. So let's go and dive into it. As you can see right here, we got our boy Dorian here, who just passed his challenge, $10,000, as you can see, with a maximum drawdown of 2,500 bucks. That is extremely amazing. We can go up here, same guy again. For today with EJ and a little of GJ, he made $2.3 thousand for the day. Okay, so let's go up. We got Johnny here. He made 1.1K for the day on gold. Let's go up a little more. We have Vising or Michael, who was the same guy that I just interviewed in my last video. Extremely consistent guy. He's been absolutely killing it. And again, he's posting today. As you can see, today he only made about $250 compared to the days before. He made more. But hey, what matters is that he made money, right? As you can see here, he's been 25, 26 July, 27 July, 28 July, all making money very consistently. Let's go up. We have this guy Nacho. He's on GJ Sells with the EA. As you can see, he made a profit of $931. Boom. Let's go up. We have Wayfair right here. He made $1,000 today. As you can see, he's trading a couple of pairs, AUDCHF, UJ, and you can see right here, he had a profit of $1,000. His max drawdown was $980. And you can even see his runtime of the EA and everything. Okay, so let's go up. We got Mr. TJ right here. He has 4.2K, basically 4,200 bucks that he made on gold. Amazing. Let's see some else what we have here. So this guy is still demoing the EA on the 100K account. His max DD was 457 bucks, but his profits were $1.6 thousand, as you can see here on Euro AUD. I can scroll up again. We see this guy, what's his name? Blast C. He says a max DD of 800 bucks, and he made $4,400. Or he has another account. Yeah, basically it's the same one. Awesome. We can scroll up. Same guy has another account, I believe, or maybe the same account. This one is up 6,100 bucks. So as you can see here, everybody's profiting. Everybody's extremely profitable. Our group is not part of the 97%. Our group right here is part of the 3% that actually makes money every single day predictably. But of course, it's because we have a cheat code, because we have an automated trading bot doing all the work for us. Now, who do you think is more powerful? A human full of emotions and full of biases and shit like that, or a robot that literally makes no mistakes and has only one job to do, make you profits? That's it. So let's go back in. We got this guy, he's trading GJ and a couple of other pairs. He's at 1.16K in profit. Boom, let's go up. We got Dorian again, $6,000 for the day. Crazy. We also have Stevens here, who just passed his My Forex Funds account, which is great. We have Corey here, boom, $2.2 thousand in profits with a drawdown of 1.2K, which is really good. And yeah, as you guys can see, this goes on forever and ever and ever. We have results on results. We see this guy. He's like, I heard 90% of people fail this test all the time, and I just passed it in my first ever try. I wanted to be funded so bad. Finally, thank God. So literally, this guy bought the EA for the first time. He tried a prop firm challenge with us with the EA, passed it on his first try ever, where 90% of people actually fail. Like I said, our group of winners here does not make part of the statistics of the 97%. We're actually the 3% that consistently knows how to make profit. And again, it's because we have the cheat code. And listen, if you want to have a cheat code, if you want to have an edge over everybody else, all you have to do is click the link down in the description where it says pass. So you're going to click the Telegram. It's going to take you to a Telegram where you're going to talk to me and my team. Send us the word PASS, PASS, and we'll get you hooked up with the same EA that you're seeing all of these wins from, and then you can start winning as well. So now, instead of you being part of the statistics of the 97%, you can be part of the 3% that are winning every single day.